everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. This is the best travel shirt for sun protection. So today I'm going to review a Columbia travel shirt. I'm going to give you the full name in a second, which is kind of long, but I just wanted to show you how it looks when you wear it, and it gives you complete protection from sun and the shade. And then here you have the name. I think it's called titanium. And then let's look at the back, how it looks, and you can see that this is a very nice fitting. So let me just take it off, and then I'll give you the name first to start with, and then we'll go through the features. So the full name of the shirt is Columbia Summit Valley Woven Long Sleeve Shirt. So the name is kind of handful, and it has some unique features which makes it very excellent for traveling. So it has sun protection SPF 50, which Columbia calls Omni-Shade, and also it has moisture-wicking feature, which is Columbia calls Omni-Wick. So the moisture-wicking features comes like it has tiny dots woven all over the fabric, and those dots has reflective coating, and that reflect the sun heat. So that's where the SPF 50 coming from. And in between those tiny dots and the reflective coating, there's tiny holes to pass through the air, and that's where the moisture wicking comes from. Now another way it keeps you cool is that there is a kind of here wind hole, and here wind is passing through from this place. So for example, if you take a look here, you can see that there's kind of mesh net, and then wind is passing through to keep you cool. Now when I was wearing it, I thought I'm going to feel hot because this is polyester, but I do not feel hot. I feel cool and very nice. And then it has a zippered pocket right in front, which is right here. And then let me just take a look on here, and there's another pocket here which has a kind of cover, so you can put various accessories when you're traveling. And then here there's a hook, and the way these buttons work, they're very fast. So there's kind of clip attachment, so when you can just clip it and unclip it. So that's something very good thing. And then there's another feature, which is there's a pocket inside, and here you can keep your credit cards, coins, money, or few items for protection. And then there's another feature, which is there is a place to clean your glasses, which is right here, and you can see that this fabric is to clean your glasses or your cell phone screen. So that's another feature which makes it a perfect travel shirt. And let me just show you what else we have here. And there's a hook which you can hold it or attach it to anywhere. And here you can see that Columbia titanium logo, but it's not very showy, it's unobtrusive, so that's a very good thing. And then here we have the same logo again, but it doesn't kind of stick out, which I like. So it's a very minimal logo, and that everything makes it a very perfect travel shirt because you're getting sun protection all over your arm. It's coming up to here, and it's coming up to here, and also due to these features, this is a perfect travel shirt for hot countries like Thailand, Maldives, Philippines, Malaysia, or any hot country if you are traveling to. So this is something to consider. And another thing, that it has no smell. I have a similar shirt from another brand, and I found out that after a few days it started kind of smell, but this one has no smell because this is very high quality fabric. So in terms of pricing, if you are looking at it, this is going to be about $50 to $80 depending on where you buy from, but sometimes they go on sale and you can grab it for $50. But if you are not on sale, then you are looking at $60, $70, $80, something like that. But this is Columbia's one of the top items, and this is going to be my travel companion for now on. So for the next tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.